Hey everybody, this is David Branderhorst, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to make money as an affiliate. Now before we get started, if you can hit that like and subscribe button to make sure you're notified of future content, we would greatly appreciate that. Now, affiliate marketing is one of those things that is overlooked a lot when people consider building an online business. And I think that's really unfortunate because affiliate marketing can really be a great tool for you to use to supplement your income or to possibly even build your entire business. The advantages of doing so are actually quite obvious. Is you get paid a commission for making a sale for someone else's product or service, and you do not have any of the responsibility for servicing that customer. You don't have to provide the service. You don't have to answer the emails or deal with any complaints or deal with any questions coming back from the customer. That's all handled by the service provider. So this is a great way for you to basically get paid just for helping that business make sales. And a great way to think about this is you're just getting a business where if you have a business already and you don't have, you're providing certain types of products and services, but you know that there's other things that your customers would be interested in, but you really don't have an interest in creating that. That's not really what your lane is. That's not really what you're interested in. Well, then a great way to generate extra income from that space is to promote someone else's offer, is to put an affiliate link out there, is to promote someone else as being the recommended service provider for X, Y, and Z. And then sending the business to them and let them service that area, and you get paid in a commission for doing that. And that's a great way to supplement your income. Now, when you're considering doing affiliate promotions, there's some things that you need to keep in mind. First of all, you should really focus on one primary niche. By that I mean, don't just go promoting random things like a health offer, a financial services offer, a fitness offer, then back over here promoting a relationships offer. I mean, it gets really, really messy. And the reason for it is simple. The way affiliates who make really good money doing this, there's affiliates making $1 million+ a year just promoting affiliate offers. And the way that they're doing it is they focus on one singular niche. They find one audience that they put out content to. They create YouTube videos for. They go out and generate an email list. They build up an email list of people who are all interested in a certain topic. They go out and do social media posts and build a following on these certain things so that when people come to them, they're looking for expertise, knowledge, and information on this specific topic. And in doing so, they build a following and they start getting an audience that comes to them. So when they promote an offer to that audience, it makes sense. It's like we're not this week promoting financial services and next week promoting health. No, each week we're promoting the same types of things because that's what my audience is interested in. Now, when you're considering offers, when you're considering like what should I promote or how do I find these offers or how do I get things that make sense to promote to my audience, there's a couple different strategies that you can employ. The first one is to consider looking at what's considered an affiliate marketplace. Now, affiliate marketplaces are companies that essentially aggregate all sorts of affiliate offers from other companies. They're like one place that you can go to search for a large list of affiliate offers that you can consider promoting, and it puts it all under one umbrella. And there's a number of them out there. Some of the major ones that you might want to consider are Clickbank, Share a Sale, Max Bounty, Rakuten Link Share, CJ Affiliate. Those are just a few, and there's quite a few more out there. They're just aggregators. They put together marketplaces where people can list their products and services as being available for people to promote, as being available for people to send links to and to send traffic to try and make sales. So that's a great way for people to do this. It's a great way for people to be able, for the business provider to make sales, to get another avenue of sales that could come in, and for you as the affiliate to go in and make sales of a product that you don't have to take the time to build or to service and take care of. Now, let's go ahead and hop on over. I'm going to take you over to Clickbank and let you see a little bit what ClickBank looks like, and how do you search for an offer, and how do you find what it is that you need, and how do you find something that makes sense. So let's go ahead and let's click on over and go to ClickBank. Now, to use ClickBank, you first and foremost need to set up an account with them. So this is, my explanation here is kind of assuming that you've already done that step. If not, just go to clickbank.com and follow the instructions and set up an account. And when you go in, you want to go to the affiliate marketplace, because this is where all the affiliates are listing out their offers for you to promote. And there are literally thousands and thousands of offers that you can promote. So the best way to get started is to go down and to go on the left-hand side and click some of the filters. Now, the first ones are like, do they have upsells? Is this a physical product? If that's something that's important to you, then you can click that. You could select by language if you're looking to promote only certain language. Is this a product that pays out one time and an affiliate commission one time? Does it have a recurring element? And that's a really powerful strategy for you to consider when you are looking at offers to promote. Some programs out there are recurring billing, like they will bill a customer every month for the service that they are providing. And that recurring billing then goes to the company, but it also then will pay you as an affiliate every single month. So if you send someone to them as a customer and they buy, and let's say they stay with that customer and keep paying every month for the next 3 or 4 years, you will continue to get a monthly affiliate check from them every month for the next 3 to 4 years. So it's something great to consider as you're looking at what affiliate offers to promote. Do they offer a $1 trial? Sometimes that's a great way to get people started and to say yes. And then you could sort by CPA, which cost per action. So you can look at that and say, do they offer the ability, because some places will pay you just to generate email leads. So if somebody will put it in their name and email, they'll pay you an affiliate commission, obviously significantly smaller, but they'll pay you an affiliate commission just to generate email leads for them, or even to generate clicks. So is that an option? Do they offer affiliate tools, so on and so forth? Some other things here. I'll talk about some of this here in a little bit. But then we go down here, we have categories. And this is where you can click on a category. Again, pick a category that you are already working to build an audience in and a following in. Because if you do that, then what inevitably ends up happening is you can then offer things that make sense. So we want to pick let's just click on business and investing, just for the sake of looking at it. Now, as we look at this, there's going to be all sorts of information and all sorts of offers that you're going to see that start popping up, and they range the board very high to very low. And one of the things you're going to see here is something that ClickBank calculates called a gravity score. Now, a gravity score on this crypto one, is 10.86. The next one is 12. The next one is 8.6. See if I can find ones that are a little bit lower. These are actually considered very low gravity scores. ClickBank usually recommends a gravity score is kind of an algorithmic calculation. And what it does is it calculates through a number of variables how good of an offer this is. In other words, how many sales are getting made by affiliates? How often do sales come through and get made? Are they frequent? Are they infrequent? Are there lots of sales, or are there very little sales? And scores, what they typically tend to tell people who are affiliates is a sweet spot to look for scores is between 50 and 200. So this one pays out a tremendous commission. You can make $800 promoting this mastermind, but it has a gravity score of 10, which means it's kind of hard to make sales, and sales don't occur all that often. So something to keep in mind. There's a trade-off here. Huge payout, small conversion percentage, because again, it's a mastermind. It's probably an expensive purchase, so on and so forth. And so then you can look down here. Do they have upsells as a physical product? You can see which ones are highlighted, which ones are grayed out. Does it have recurring? There's a recurring revenue element here, and so forth. So you can filter and look through all these different things to determine which is the one that makes sense for you. And you can go to the affiliate pages on these, and to see the offer, you can see what it is, to see if this is something that you want to promote. And if it is, you can click here and get an affiliate link. Now, an affiliate link is what really allows you to get credit for the sale. It allows you to create a customized link, and this customized link, then anytime somebody clicks that link and goes through and buys this offer, you will then be credited back through your ClickBank account as the referrer, as the person who sent the person there. And as a result, you then are eligible to get paid a commission. So every one of these. So again, as you go down, you can see like pages and pages, and this is just in this space. There are tons and tons of offers. There are literally thousands of them. So the best thing I can tell you to do is to simply look at these and find the ones that make sense for you. Find the ones where the offers make sense, where it has a good score, where you feel like, hey, there's a consistent number of sales being made here. There's a consistent number of activity. I feel like I have a really good shot at promoting this because this is something people are buying and people are making money on. It's an active order. It's not something that has never made a sale. If you see a gravity order, a number of 0, that typically means there aren't any sales. That means the product got listed, but nobody's actually making any sales through it. So that's probably not one to jump on. But again, it's a great measure, and it's a way for you to get a feel, is this an offer worth promoting or not? So something for you to think about, and it's a great way for you to go and make money. Now, another way of finding affiliate offers, and this is also if you work with a business and you're using them as a service, you're like, man, my other customers, my other people would really get use out of this service as well. You can go directly to that company and see if they have an affiliate program that you can sign up for at that company, and many companies do. They have an affiliate offer right there on their site, right there at their company that they can make, and you can sign up with them directly and get paid for making their offers. Now, again, as you're looking at these, there's two different ways, as you're wanting to market these things, there's two different ways of doing this. One is that you can just send out a link, like in an email, and say, hey, I just want you to know that I've been using this XYZ service. This has been an amazing product for us. We love it so much, and I think you should go check it out. And then in the email, you would include your affiliate link, and that would be something that anybody who signs up comes back and gives credit to you for that sale that was made. It's an easy way to do it. But there's a little bit of a downside to that, and that is, well, I could join through your affiliate link, or I just could go straight to that website and make the purchase. And if somebody goes straight to that website, you don't get any credit. You don't get any affiliate commission for making that referral. Even if somebody read the email, but rather than clicking the link, they just go in and to their web browser and type in the name of the company and sign up on their own, you aren't going to get credit for it because they didn't click your link. Now, the way to work around that is to do something that involves going in and making what's considered a bridge offer, which is something that you're making a bonus offer. Like all of my clients who decide to go ahead and buy this, I've decided to throw in the following bonuses. I will give you the X, Y, and Z bonus. In doing so, people learn like, oh, wait, if I want to get those extra bonuses, if I want to get extra value from my signing up with this service, then I need to go here and buy it. I need to click through this link, and then you run them through your affiliate link, which then in turn gets them to go to the offer afterwards. After they go through your affiliate page, they go through and then click and buy. That then makes sure that you get credit for it. And let's go ahead and take a look and see what that looks like. And this is a template. So this is not a real offer. This is just a sample one for a service called ClickFunnels, which a lot of people in my space have made a lot of money promoting, myself included. And so how to get a lot more. So this is just a template of how somebody created this page, and what they're offering here is a ClickFunnels Hacks bundle. So they're offering a tutorials private members area. You know, they are offering share funnels that people can get, that they can get started once they get a ClickFunnels account, and then they can get webinar trainings. They can get monthly webinar trainings. And so think about that for a minute. And then when you sign up for this and you register through them, and then you click the link to join ClickFunnels, not only do you get all the benefits of using ClickFunnels, but now you get all of these services added in as well. And again, this is just an example. So it's just there as a template just to kind of show you. But when you add extra value on that, now you're incentivizing people to go through your link. You're incentivizing people to click through you to ensure that they're going through your stuff because, well, shoot, I get all this free stuff on top of getting my benefits of using the service. So I'm definitely going to go through you. And that's an effective way and a powerful way to get people to come through you to sign up for a service because they want the bonuses. And again, a great way to structure that and to do that is to set it up in such a way that you're providing things that can be a one-time thing. In other words, you can record a bunch of content and training and videos on how to use the service. You can use templates and different things, stuff that you can deliver one time and you're done. Now, that example was including, how do we do monthly things? And I'm like, that's a lot to commit to on an affiliate commission. But what I would recommend doing is just creating bonus trainings, bonus services, bonus reports, things that you could deliver digitally one time and you're done. And that's a great way to create a lot of extra value that people will say, hey, I'm only going through you because you are the one that's giving me all this extra stuff. And I really, really just want to use you because that I'm going to get a lot of extra value. And that makes you the preferred provider of people who want to come through you to sign up for that service, and makes it a lot more attractive for you to make affiliate sales. Now, a couple things I want to keep, like cautionary things I want you to keep in mind, especially if you have your own business and you already have your own clients and you're just offering extra services to people in this way. Make sure you know the credibility of the people that you're referring. Nothing is worse than you sending out an email and promoting a product or service, and you go in, you say, hey, you should check out XYZ, and then only to find out that they don't service their customers well, that people are having absolutely a terrible time getting results. No one will answer their emails. No one will answer the phone. They can't get any support. And now they're mad, and they're looking at you saying, you referred these people to me, and they're treating me like dirt. So make sure you know the credibility, because if you do that and you refer somebody that's not a good provider, that doesn't have good credibility, then you've damaged your own business. Not only did you, get upset customers with them, your customers are now upset with you because you were the one who said it was good. You were the one who recommended them, and they're not going to be very happy with you as well. So it'll end up damaging your own reputation and your own business. I would highly recommend you look for recurring revenue opportunities, because a lot of these opportunities that you find, especially if they offer like $100, that's nice. And if you can just send out an email or just put out videos recommending people to do that, that's great. And you can make a little bit of money, but it's not a lot. If you can find something that's a recurring service that pays you every month and that builds cash flow for you on an ongoing basis so that you don't have to keep promoting every month something new to keep making more sales and more affiliate income, that is definitely the most preferred. And I know a lot of people think, well, if I really get good at this, can I just run an ad? Can I just start generating traffic to it? It really depends on the niche and the cost of traffic that you are going to be going for. Certain niches are way too expensive to generate leads, to generate traffic for it to ever make sense in the affiliate space. The cost to generate the traffic is going to be way too high based on the affiliate commission that you're going to make back. So it really depends on the niche that you're going in, and you really need to look at that, because typically generating traffic with paid ads to an offer that is converting may sound like a simple way to get a bunch of affiliate sales, but typically that is not a system that works from a math standpoint, because the cost to make the sale with the ads tends to be higher than eat up the vast majority of the affiliate commissions, and it tends to not really be worth your while. So that's a lot of information on affiliates. I hope you found this really helpful. And if you have questions, as always, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day, and I will look forward to seeing you again very soon.